Today, you're going to get the biggest official discount on Helium 10. There are 2 discount options available. One for people who want to use it for a short time and another for those who plan to use it long term. First, open this coupon sale link, where the coupon code is already applied automatically. You'll find this link in the description. On this page, scroll down a little and you'll notice that the Platinum plan is selected by default. Right next to it, there's a Claim Coupon button where the coupon code is already auto-applied. If you want the Diamond plan, you can select that as well. This coupon link is available in the description, so you can simply click on it and go directly to this coupon page. Also, to claim this coupon, you must create an account using a Gmail that has never been used before to sign up for Helium 10. If you don't have a new Gmail, just create one. It only takes about 2 minutes. So the link is in the description. Enjoy the discount and take advantage of this offer. Bye-bye.